Hi everybody, welcome to Introduction to Fashion FDM 100. My name is Kyla Benson and I'm your instructor for this course. This video is just a brief introduction about Module 7. This module, we're going to introduce you to textiles, different types of fabrics, fibers used to create them, weaves, knits, and printing them, embroidery. This is a quick overview. In fact, we actually have an entire class dedicated to textiles. So if this is something you find interesting, you definitely want to look into a textiles course. Ours is FDM 104. Okay, so to go ahead and start this module, you will read Chapter 5. And as usual, you will also take our Chapter 5 quiz. And the Chapter 5 quiz, it's meant as a learning tool, so you can take it again and again until you get all of the questions correct. We have another guest speaker this semester. So Shelly is actually a past student from Santa Ana College. She went on to get her bachelor's degree from Cal State Long Beach, and she works as a graphic designer for the Boot Barn down here in Southern California. So she's going to talk about what it's like to work as an associate designer. So go ahead and watch her video. And then you'll participate in our Module 7 discussion board. And we also have a Module 7 assignment. So I'll just click on the discussion board quickly. So our discussion board is that you're actually going to go into your closet and let's see here, and start looking at the types of fiber that you wear. Look at your 10 favorite pieces of clothing and then look at the types of fiber that's there. And then you'll kind of analyze like, wow, I guess I really like cotton, or maybe I really like rayon, or who knew polyester was so great. And then from that, just pick your favorite one to share with the class. You'll take a picture of the fiber content label and embed it to the discussion board. You'll also comment on 2 different student posts by adding a garment photo and care label of a garment that you own that has the same fiber content as them as well. Okay. Our assignment, I'm going to jump to the next assignment, is a little bit of Illustrator. So knowing Adobe Illustrator, it's pretty much mandatory for the apparel industry. So it's very important you take an Illustrator class. At Santa Ana College, we offer fashion illustration. You learn how to draw by hand. We do a little bit of painting, markers, but most of the class revolves around Adobe Illustrator, some Photoshop as well. It used to be important for just designers, but now even merchandisers and product developers are expected to be able to navigate in it as well. So in Intro to Fashion, we're just getting your feet wet. A little introduction. So you do need access to Adobe Illustrator for this project. If you don't have access, you can use Inkscape, which is free, but I highly recommend you find a friend that has Illustrator. If you don't, you can download their free trial as well. If you're close to campus, our computer lab on campus, every single computer has Adobe Illustrator, whether it's a PC computer or a Mac. So you can come to the Academic Computing Center at Santa Ana and access it there as well. Okay, so in this assignment, I actually give you a drawing with a print, and you are to go find an inspiration image, and you're just going to change the colors in the print. It's fairly simple, and there's a video that walks you step by step on how to do it as well. So it's pretty simple, and it's really fun to see how different the CADs I give you, the computer-aided drawings I give you guys, how different they look based on all of your different inspiration. So you'll go ahead and share that with the class when you're done. And again, if you have any questions about this module, please post it on our discussion board, or you can also shoot me an email as well.